Alright, welcome back to Rich Academy, and in this course today I'll be showing you how you can create your own business name account. Business name bank account without having your CAC or even have to visit any bank branch. Alright, so let me just quickly show you through my account and you can see some of the transactions I've actually done with my account. And the best part of this thing is that you can even have more than one business name account, and you can actually use to get money from your clients. So it makes you look more professional and it makes your work or your organization look more professional, and it makes people want to do business with you, especially when you are sending them a business name account. So it's very official for you not to be it's unofficial for you to be sending your personal bank account to someone that actually a client that actually want to do business with your company. So alright, in this video I will show you the step-by-step guide on how to get started. So alright, now let's go. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. So ensure you watch the video to the end and you follow the steps, and you can also drop in the comment section if you have any question you want to ask. So now let's start by creating our account. So first thing is to click on create account. Then you have to enter your name. So I think that is very essential. So you need to provide your name in the login, in the registration page. So provide your business name. Alright, so let's use my business name as an example. Okay, so you enter your first name, then your last name. I'm actually using a kind of demo name, so because I already have an account here. So for you must input the actual thing that you actually want to do. Alright, so input your mobile number and ensure that you input a correct email address, because you are going to need to verify your account. So input a correct email address. So then enter your password and ensure that you use a strong password which meets the criteria that is listed. So once you do that, so you are actually good to go. So just ensure you follow the procedure. Alright, so just click by accepting the term and click on create account. So when you click on that create account, a link is going to be sent to you to your email to confirm your credentials. So then now I'm going to log into my account now because I already have an account here. Alright, so let's get started. Now I'm logging into my account right now. So it's actually loading and let's see. Alright, so my account is loading now. Alright, so you can see I have different accounts, like different business name I use here. So I'm actually going to select one that is not yet completed. So I'm going to use it as a training for us. Alright, so I'm selecting one that I've not actually activated. So now let's get started. So you need to create a business name account. I think that's actually been created for you when you get started. So all you need to do is to fill in some important information, in which I'm going to be guiding us on how we are going to do that. So alright, so now the first thing you need to do, when you need to click on activate business. So when you click on it, you will see this percentage. It will start from 0, meaning that you have not completed any level of verification. So that means you need to verify all these things that are listed here. So you need to verify them. And so now how do we get started? The first thing you need to do is to input your business information. So input your business information. I'm just using this as a demo information. I believe you understand. So alright, let's just type something. It's Connect Nigeria Limited. Okay, with deals. Okay, with says. Alright, let's just say you can just put anything you like here actually, so don't mind what I'm actually typing. Alright, so just ensure that you input your business name description here. So then the next thing is your support email. That means the email where they can contact you. Okay, so alright, the next thing is your address. Then if you are Nigerian, you select Nigeria, then you select your state. So after selecting that, you select your state, input your address. Then if you have a website, so you input your website. Then you can also input your website logo. So if paraventure you have that, then all these ones, if you have a social media handles and you actually want to input that, so that's just by the way if you want to. So now the next thing is to go to the account information. So under this account information, this is where you need to select your corporate bank account. So that means the account where your money is going to be paid to after the money has been deposited to your business account. So then the next thing is document verification. So this is a board of resolution. So actually this, when you need to upload this document, and when you click here, you are going to see the sample of how to write that board of resolution. So when you write that, so you upload it here. Then the next thing is your company profile. You as well ensure you write your company profile. So if you have any issue with that, you can actually drop in the comment section so I can actually attend to it. Okay, all right. So after doing that, then the next thing is to go to so your other verification. So the BVN, you need to input your BVN. So then you must ensure that your BVN actually match with your your date of birth and everything like that. Okay, so after doing that, so if you have a website, a business website, you can actually input it here. Then if you have tax identification number, you can input it here. But if you don't have, then you just type no. Then you go ahead to upload your utility bill. So upload your utility bill. After doing that, then the final step is the board of directors. So if you are more than one that is directing the business, so you just have to input the informations of the board of director here, select their locations. So then you input the valid ID of the board of directors. So if you have more than one, you can actually input them. So if you are just one, just input your ID. Then here you can use either your voter's ID card, your driver's license, international passport. So just make sure it's a valid ID card. Then upload it, and after doing that, then you click on submit. So immediately you do all that. So after filling all those stuffs, then when you click on activate this account here, this thing is going to turn into 100%, but it's going to need a verification. So they are going to verify your documents. It will take some couple of hours for them to do that. So after that, it's going to show you that it's completed, and here it's going to, this one is showing a demo account, but when your account gets live, you're going to see your balance here. So here is going to show live, so it's no longer going to show. So let me show you verified account. Now let's take this one for example. Now I'm logging into my own business name account now. So now I would like you to see this. So I'll need to show you some settlements information. So this is where actually your payment will be made to. So your payment will be made to this wallet. So and here is where you can actually move the money to your personal bank accounts. Okay, so all right, so I think here, okay, here is still on, should I say, testing. All right, so that means I need to put it to live. So live. All right, so let's see. You see, there is nothing I try to do on testing that will actually work, as you can see here. So because I've not actually put it on live, so it's still on testing. So as you can see, so now let me put it to live now. So it's live now. That means it's fully verified. So when you check your wallet, here is where your balance is actually going to show, and here is your business name account. So when you copy that account and you send it to anybody, it's going to show the name of your business. So these are all the transactions I've actually received, from people. So these are transaction history. You can actually shuffle your transaction histories and check them and see how they work. So when you can like what I showed you earlier, when you click on that your wallet, so you are going to see your business name account. So when you copy that business name account and you send it to anyone, you can even try to test it. Copy that business name account, then try to make payment to it. So you're going to see that it's going to bring your business name instead of your personal name. So it's going to bring you business name, and by that you don't actually need a CAC to create a business name account, because if you have to walk into any bank, any local bank, they're going to request from you CAC before you can actually create a business account. But this is just a better way, and this is a quick way and a fast way that you can actually bypass the bank limitation of having to register for CAC before you can see on my account the transactions I've made. You can see it. So that is just that, but